Hello friend, my name is Jay Rahul and today I am going to presentation about the Internet of Things and its application in the energy sector. So basically what is the IoT? IoT is the network in which all the physical objects are connected into the internet through the network device and the router to exchange the data. So consider the example of the air condition. So whenever we try to turn it off or on by remote area, so we have to connect the AC with the IoT. There are three major points for the IoT: the sensor which collects the data, and second is a wired or wireless network is required to upload that data on the internet, and third is the its interaction with the human. Start. Now consider these image. The first one is the mechanism and water plant or stream of any of these. Second is the mass production assembly line and electricity. Third is the computer and automation, and the fourth one is for the cyber physical system. Now in the prior 3 revolution, there are improvement in the productivity. First came steam and water, next came electricity and assembly line, and then computerization. The fourth is for the internet of the things, which is the internet and computing the infrastructure to connect the machine and the application and of the start. Now what is the main works in IoT of in the industry? So first of all, we have to install some sensors like a moisture sensor, the sensor which can be monitor the oil or gas in the pipeline, or valves and pressure gauge sensor, the sensor for the pressure gauge to prevent the leaks and the contaminations. So now smart grid meters of the water, electricity and gas to collect their data, uses the data and uploads it on the internet, or for the analysis of that data. Now by the analysis of that data we can predict the conduct the maintenance and provide the additional safety issues to that plant. Now utility provider use smart meter to track customers' energy uses and communicate that data to company's central system, allowing company to predict the demand, spot and the conduct prevent of the maintenance.
My name is 15EL013 and I am from electronics department. Here I am going to present you about wireless home automation using IoT. The process of controlling or manipulating various equipment, machinery, industrial equipment or industrial process or other application using various controlling parameters and systems, and also with less or no human intervention or no human interference is termed as automation. There are various types of automation based on application which can be used in a home as well as industrial parts. There are industrial automation, autonomous automation, building automation, etc. In home automation, which is the process of controlling home appliances automatically through wireless using various sensors and various control modes. The electrical and electronic appliance in the home such as fan, light, ACs, outdoor lights, fire alarm, kitchen, timer, etc. can be controlled using various control techniques. In wireless home automation using IoT, there are many applications which can be used by various ways. There are various techniques to control home appliances such as IoT based home automation over the cloud.